So what's up? It's your boy Handy Danny, and here we are at the Home Depot, and today we're talking about window cleaning. Man, listen, the seasons are changing. You can see it's getting a little bit rainy, and I was thinking to myself, I was like, a lot of the stuff that I've been talking about has been outdoors, but a lot of you guys on the East Coast, it's snowing over there. What business can you do? What business can you start from Home Depot for under $100 and do all year round, especially this winter? Well, window cleaning is one of those. We're gonna go inside here and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what you need to get your windows clean or start your window cleaning business. All right, let's go. Here we are over here at the window cleaning supplies, and there's all these different supplies, right? So you got all kind of different squeegees, you have all kind of different scrapers. If you get into any type of residential window cleaning, you're gonna need that smaller window squeegee to get those little small windows, right? So here's a small squeegee right here. I'm not 100% sure about the sizes because I'm a novice, okay? I've never cleaned a window before a day in my life. This one right here is 12 inches. So this is definitely gonna be able to get those residential windows. And as you can see right here, you have this guy right here where you can connect that to a handle to reach a lot higher, right? So all kind of different squeegees here. So as you can see right here, we also have a 2-in-1, a window scrubber and a window squeegee right here. And this is just your basic stuff that you can get from Home Depot. Like I mentioned before, I've never cleaned a window before a day in my life. I have no idea how to clean a window. And it's one of them things to where it's like, I went out and cleaned the window, it would probably look horrible. However, this is something that you're able to go out and mess up on. You don't necessarily have to be a pro. As you do it with repetition, I'm sure you will get better. When I first started doing construction, every picture in my house was crooked. I couldn't hang a picture straight. After so many years of construction, and I actually have a laser that I'm going to do a review that SK Pro sent out to me. Shameless plug, that get ready for that review. We also have the solution. When it comes to the solution right here, everything that you need for window cleaning is right here at Home Depot. This is $12, this is $12, this is $12, this is $20. As long as you don't exceed over $100, you can go out and start a business. We'll talk more about knocking on doors and putting together a script. Here's a soap right here. If you don't want to spend the $12.97 on this soap, I would recommend some Dish Dawn soap. Honestly, you take that scrubber, you scrub the window, you squeegee it down. We're going to come over here. Follow. We have the buckets. This bucket right here looks really professional. This right here is for that scrub brush. This is for that squeegee to fit right inside there. You can get some water. You fill up your bucket, you get your solution in there, you get your soap in there, you get your Dawn dish soap, and we got the bucket right here. You get yourself some tiles, you get yourself the bucket, you get yourself a squeegee, you get yourself a scrubber. You're in business. All this right here fits inside your car. Real easy, real simple. This is one of those things that I really want to execute on. And I'm gonna be giving you guys tips because I watched a bunch of videos and a guy was saying in the wintertime, if you're on the East Coast or if you're in the Midwest, you can easily just add some rubbing alcohol to your water so the water doesn't freeze, right? So there's all kinds of different tips and tricks and how you can get the business started. And the guy was pricing the windows. For each window pane, it was $5 per window pane, no matter how big it was. Most storefronts have 10 to 12 window panes. On the inside, $5 per window pane, $5 per window pane on the inside. You're looking at about $100 to clean a window. Maybe starting off, he said that start off at about 60 bucks to clean inside and outside. Clean windows for free to gain their trust. But once you start getting this business and you get it rolling and you got people that are constantly giving you business bi-weekly or weekly, all those accounts turn into thousands of dollars. You are in business, you're starting to hire people. So it's just a matter of getting that business started. Here's all kind of different buckets right here. You can also get some of the Home Depot buckets. Right here you see it's overwhelming. There's so many different scrubbers. There's so many different scrapers. There's so much different types of soap. There's so many types of squeegees. Actually, the guy was recommending this 18-inch squeegee right here because it pivots. You can move it over there to the left or right, whether you're right-handed or left-handed. All kind of different things that you can do with this right here. You can replace this right here, the little rubber part. if it starts to want to wear out on you. Has instructions right here how to use it. This guy right here, and then he also was showing the scrubber on the swivel as well. But all this can be overwhelming. Only thing you need to do is just come in here, spend no more than $60, $70 between your rags, your squeegee, your scrubber, your bucket, boom. You're in business. I'm going to execute on this. You're going to see me knock on doors, actually try to really get this business started right here. It's handy dandy. Make sure you subscribe because we're going to continuously keep talking about these businesses, but we're going to stay on this window cleaning thing for a little while longer, a few more episodes. So that's it, party people. That's it, man. I mean, hey, if you ain't started no business, if you haven't got your business started by now, if you haven't chose one thing to at least get focused on for the year 2026, at least start to create a goal for yourself to get started January 1st, 2026. And that's it. Peace.